Story 11. A brave warrior who had received a dreadful wound in the Tatar War was informed that a certain merchant possessed a medicine which he would probably not refuse to give if asked for, but it is related that the said merchant was also well known for his avarice. If, instead of bread, he had the sun in his tablecloth, no one could see daylight till the day of resurrection. The warrior replied, "If I ask for the medicine, he will either give it or refuse it, and if he gives it, maybe it will profit me, and maybe not. At any rate, the inconvenience of asking it from him is a lethal poison. Whether thou obtainest by entreaties from base men, or profit thy body, but injure thy soul. And philosophers have said, if, for instance, the water of life were to be exchanged for a good reputation, no wise man would purchase it, because it is preferable to die with honor than to live in disgrace. To eat colloquent from the hand of a sweet-tempered man is better than confectionery from the hand of an ill-humored fellow." And presentation can matter to the point where something valuable, ill presented, is, loses its sense of favor. But something basically worthless will be seen as great, presented with another display.